thank you to click on my video. Today I want to show you again a new Eplan API I call that Eplansave. First of all, if you like Eplan CAD software and electrical engineering, don't forget to subscribe. Then I have a gift for all my subscribers. I will give you this API. That's all right. Before start off my API, what is this? Eplansave is just a tool to allow you again to save your time. Is in the process of backup and complete project. Then for this tool work great, you need to have a project in draft, in draft like this with this symbol of revision revision. Then you can see that if I come here, edit revision, you can see that my project have revision name A. Okay. Then also we can see in my default directory, I don't have the folder Eplan backup. This folder, what is this? It's just a folder that my API create to put in temporarily all backup of project. Then you can move this in another place in your computer. If I come back on Eplan and I launch my tools, yes, these tools, the Eplansave is in progressing. We wait a few minutes. We wait and project saved. We can see that this page have a name of my revision here also, and I can't move any symbol. I can't do anything in my project because this project is also completed. And if I come to my default directory, we can see that the folder Eplan backup was created. And in this folder, we can see we have two backup, but is for this case, it's just my preference because I like have two backup, one backup before project completed and another backup after project completed. It's just a preference. And we can see that it work. And just to show you what is happen if I took another revision, I will take another revision, generate revision. So we have before revision A, I take a revision B. Okay, revision B. So we wait. I don't. Okay. Now here in this page, we can see I have revision A. I just move. Now I can move component. So I move this component, for example, and here also I move this component. I move this. I move this. And we have to drift page, and then I launch again my tools. Yes. We wait. We wait. All right. Project saved, and now we can see we have already the revision B in this page. Again in this page, but for other page we have again the revision A. And in backup folder we can see now we have two new backup in with revision B. So it's right, it works. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. When as I said, I will give you this API, and tell me in comment if you like another video when I explain by script in C on software Visual Basic. Thank you to watch this video.